When choosing new double-hung windows, most homeowners focus on glass performance, frame materials, and overall style. However, one detail that often gets overlooked is hardware. The locks, lifts, balances, and tilt mechanisms built into your windows play a major role in performance, safety, and ease of use. For homeowners in Rowlett, understanding double-hung window hardware options can help ensure you select windows that are both functional and long-lasting. Understanding the basic components: double-hung windows feature two operable sashes, one on top and one on the bottom. To function properly, they rely on several hardware components working together. In Rowlett homes, quality hardware ensures smooth operation, secure locking, and safe cleaning access. Knowing what each part does can help you make a more informed decision when upgrading or replacing windows. Window locks for security and ceiling locks are one of the most important pieces of double-hung window hardware. Modern double-hung windows in Rowlett often include cam locks that pull the upper and lower sashes tightly together when secured. This not only enhances security but also improves the seal between the sashes, helping reduce air leaks and drafts. Some homeowners may opt for upgraded locking systems for additional peace of mind, especially on ground-level windows. Lift handles for easy operation. Lift handles, sometimes called sash lifts, are small handles located at the bottom of the lower sash. In Rowlett residences, these handles make it easier to open and close the window smoothly. Well-designed lift hardware provides a comfortable grip and helps prevent strain when adjusting ventilation. Sash balances for smooth movement. Sash balances are internal mechanisms that allow the window sashes to move up and down effortlessly. High-quality balance systems in Rowlett homes ensure that windows stay in place once open and do not slide down unexpectedly. Durable balances also contribute to long-term performance and reduce the need for frequent adjustments. Tilt latches for easy cleaning. One of the biggest advantages of modern double-hung windows is the tilt-in feature for cleaning. Tilt latches located at the top of the sash allow homeowners in Rowlett to safely tilt the window inward for easy access to both sides of the glass. Strong, easy-to-use tilt latches make seasonal cleaning simpler and safer, especially in multi-story homes. Hardware finishes to match interior design. Double-hung window hardware is available in various finishes to complement interior decor. Rowlett homeowners can choose finishes that coordinate with other home fixtures, such as brushed metal or classic tones. Selecting the right finish helps maintain a cohesive look throughout your living space. Child safety features for families. Safety features are an important consideration. Many double-hung windows in Rowlett can be equipped with limiters that prevent the sash from opening beyond a certain point. These features allow ventilation while adding an extra layer of security for households with children. Durability and long-term performance. High-quality hardware contributes to overall window longevity. In Rowlett homes, durable materials help prevent corrosion and wear, ensuring smooth operation year after year. Investing in reliable hardware reduces the likelihood of repairs and helps protect your window investment. A small detail with a big impact. While hardware may seem like a minor detail, it significantly influences how your windows function every day. For homeowners in Rowlett, understanding double-hung window hardware options ensures you choose windows that operate smoothly, lock securely, and complement your home's style. By paying attention to these essential components, you can enjoy both comfort and convenience long after installation.